In a world where beauty and purity once thrived, we now face a defining challenge of our generation. This year's Earth Day awareness is Planet versus Plastics. Planet vs. Plastics invites every individual, business and government to join a monumental battle against plastic pollution. Imagine a future without the burden of plastic waste, a future where our oceans, air and land are unmarred by toxic pollutants. Today we stand united with a formidable goal: a 60% reduction in plastic use by 2040. We are also working towards a complete elimination of single-use plastics by 2030. Together we are paving the way toward a plastic-free future. As plastics degrade, they break down into microplastics, releasing harmful chemicals into our food and water, and permeating the very air we breathe. Each year, over 380 million tons of plastic are produced globally. More plastic has been manufactured in the last decade than in the entire 20th century. Over 500 billion plastic bags are produced annually. That's nearly 1 million bags every minute. The fashion industry alone produces 100 billion garments each year, with 87% ending up in landfills or incinerators, and only 1% being recycled. Our precious coral reefs, home to over 7,000 species, are already suffocating under more than 11 billion plastic particles. Imagine a planet thriving with life, where coral reefs flourish and wildlife roams free from the threats of plastic pollution. This vision is within our reach, but it requires each of us to act decisively and collectively. Your actions matter. Sign the Global Plastics Treaty. Reject fast fashion. Join the great global cleanup. Each step you take builds a path to a healthier, plastic-free planet. Every moment is an opportunity to shape the future. Together we can transform Planet versus Plastics from a battle into a victory for our world.